as calcium and CuSO4 react together. In this case, Ca is also more reactive than Cu. In this case, Ca is more reactive. So CaSO4, I mean calcium sulfate and Cu is also formed. Suppose the next is lead and CuSO4 react together to form PbSO4 lead sulfate and Cu is also formed. In this case, lead is also more reactive than Cu, than copper, more reactive. Suppose in the case of mercury and CuSO4 are react together. In this case Hg, I mean mercury, is less reactive than Cu. In this case, Cu is more reactive than Hg. Mercury is less reactive in this case. So no reaction takes place. No reaction. Same way, Ag, I mean silver, and CuSO4 react together to form. In this case, Ag is also less reactive than copper. So no reaction takes place. Last example is Au. I mean gold. CuSO4. In this case, gold is also less reactive. So no reaction takes place. Clear? No reaction takes place. Another examples are, suppose Cu and zinc sulfate. In this case, Cu is less reactive than zinc. So no reaction takes place. Suppose this reaction, magnesium and zinc sulfates are react together. In this case, magnesium is more reactive than zinc. So reaction takes place. Magnesium sulfate is formed and zinc is formed. suppose Au and silver sulfate. In this case, Au, I mean gold, is less reactive than silver. Less reactive than silver. So no reaction takes place. In this case, gold is located at bottom position than Ag. So no reaction it takes place. This reaction is, next example is Cu and AgSO4 silver sulfate. In this case, CuSO4 is formed and Ag is formed. Why? Because Cu is more reactive than Ag, more reactive than silver. So this reaction it takes place. Next example is suppose Ag and ferric sulfate react together. In this case, Ag is less reactive. So no reaction it takes place. I mean no reaction. Because in this series Ag is less reactive than Fe. Next example is, last example is lead and zinc sulfate. In this case, lead is less reactive than zinc. So no reaction takes place. No reaction. In this case, zinc is more reactive than lead and lead is less reactive than zinc.